Are you facing difficulties in ensuring your right product quality during this pandemic? If yes, and if you are one among a retailer, e-commerce importer or a buying agent, this video is for you. If you have already watched my video, welcome back. And if you are new to my video, hi, my name is Shruti and I am a quality expert. In this video, I will be sharing some of the challenges caused by the pandemic and some of the interesting solutions which will help you to mitigate the last minute business risks. Firstly, let me share what are all the challenges caused by the pandemic. Product returns, product recalls, customer dissatisfaction, low ratings and bad reviews. All these are caused due to the poor quality of the products. Second is the delivery delays. Due to the ban for the imports and the exports of the products from a certain country to the home country, delivery delays occurs. Third is the travel restrictions. Retailers, importers and other people whoever is sourcing from Asia could not visit the factory to analyze their performance and check the quality of their products. Last but not the least, which is the sourcing challenges. Nowadays sourcing itself is not easy as before. It involves lots of time, money and effort. In order to avoid these risks and to stay legally compiled, it is vital to ensure whether your product is manufactured at the right quality level. This can be ensured with the help of different inspection approaches mentioned below. First is the virtual inspection, second is the self-inspection by supplier, third is the freelancer and fourth is the inspection agency. Virtual inspection. Inspection conducted in a live video conference with the support of the on-site staff from the supplier. It is called the virtual inspection. Websites like Zoom, GoToMeeting and Microsoft Teams can be helped to go to a live walkthrough and check the product quality. After completion of this inspection, the on-site staff must prepare the inspection report and share with you along with the recorded video to take the decision and the necessary actions to enhance the product quality. One additional tip for this virtual inspection is you can ask for the competency of the on-site staff before performing the inspection itself. So some of the advantages and the drawbacks for this virtual inspections. Advantages: it is easy and real-time access. You need not rely on any third person for conducting these inspections. And it ensures the continuity of a project even if the physical inspection is challenging. You can save the inspection and use it for the future reference. And what are all the drawbacks involved in this virtual inspections? Data and cellular can cause the issue while conducting these inspections, and people whoever is involved in this inspection must be completely trustworthy and throughout this inspection and transparent. And last is this the people less experienced or the incompetent people must not be involved, and because they may miss the critical points during the inspection due to the lack of knowledge. So next is the self-inspection by supplier. Supplier self-inspection, inspection conducted by the supplier's own quality control team that contributes to the production of the good quality products. So what is the additional tip I want to give here is you can demand for the self-inspection report from the supplier attached with the product photographs. And what are the advantages and the drawbacks for this self-inspection report is for a self-inspection by supplier is first is it empowers the supplier and builds the good trust between you and the supplier. And next is creates a quality quality system in the factory and supports to enhance the quality in a longer term. It is a budget friendly method when compared to other methods, and recommended when there is a limited control of the production is there. And what are all the drawbacks in the self-inspection by supplier is there is a lack of transparency, incompetent team may be allocated for your inspection, and there may be not much clarity on this reports. So next is the freelancer. Freelancers are the independent workers who are not much not involved in any company or not attached to their any of the organization. So Instead of traveling, you can also hire a freelancer who can do this inspection and who have the knowledge about your products and the standards. One additional tip for hiring a freelancer is like you can sign a like contract with them, so they may be reliable to you. And like what are the advantages and the drawbacks when hiring a freelancer is like they are cheaper to hire, and before, like when compared to you yourself traveling and conducting these inspections, they are easy to hire, and you can check them whenever you need them. They are available and they are flexible as well. And what are all the drawbacks is like a few freelancers, they are unreliable, so they may not respond to you at the required time, and they may not maintain the confidentiality, which may leak the projects, and it can cause some which may be not much reliable, and it can cause issues to you, and there is a lack of commitment with them. And last is like the quality of work and their working hours for this inspection, that is not much guaranteed when you work with a freelancer. And what are all the next process is like next step is like you can also hire an inspection agency. Like a third party professionally trained inspectors visits the factory to conduct the inspection and provides you the comprehensive report. So what is the additional tip, like while hiring a third party inspection company is you need to see whether they are a ISO 17020 accredited third party company or not. So what are the like advantages and drawbacks in hiring a third party inspection company is like they are more reliable, and they take good responsibilities for the projects whichever they are handling. And for the larger projects, it is better to go and source with the third party companies, they can take good responsibility as they have good workforce. And there is a less chances that your project might be delayed because they have a professional team with them and they can take care of it. And what are all the drawbacks when hiring a third party company is they take 2 to 5 working days to prepare, plan and execute any inspection, because it is not easy for them to take an inspection and perform it immediately. And for any inspection company there may be like a few onboarding process for any new customers to onboard, and they may be less flexible because they are working based on the certain they are working based on the certain systems and procedures and standards as well. And what is the final summary which I want to give to you as a key solutions is like if you're not able to do, even though the physical inspection is not possible at the moment, you can also choose to go with the virtual inspection. That might help you. And for self inspection, it empowers the supplier and builds a good trust with them. And for a smaller projects, you can go with the freelance inspections because they know the quality standards and about your products as well. And for the larger projects, it is better, like if it is a complicated as well, if it is better to source with a third party inspection company, because they may have the good proper system organization and the managers, like everything. So that comes to the end of my presentation and video. And I have enclosed one link for you, like if you want to watch any model inspection report prepared by a third party company, you can have a look on that link. And thank you so much for listening this video patiently. And if you have any doubts, just leave me the comments, and I will meet you in my next different content and in my upcoming video. Until then, myself Shruti signing off. Take care and bye.